Hey team, today I'm working on a little project with pressure treated wood. Working on a deck project here, and I wanted to show you guys some things to really be mindful of with pressure treated wood, how to preserve it properly if you cut it, to help keep it from rotting in the future. So I wanted to show you these two pieces of wood. The piece in my hand is pressure treated lumber, and you can see the ends and everything's brown. This is all treated wood. I want to show you what it looks like when you cut that treated wood. This is a cut piece of treated wood, and you can see the dark areas here is where the treated wood actually is. Everything lighter in color here is just natural wood. So basically these little indents is where pressure treatment gets into the wood, but it only goes in just a little ways. It helps protect the outside of the wood from rot. But if you cut this and then put it down in the ground, we find out when we're looking at older decks and older posts, if they're not treated after you cut them, they rot in the middle really fast. I'm going to show you what kind of treatment I use here shortly. And I also wanted just to show you another kind of treated wood. So this piece with the indents in it is pressure treated wood, and it's rated for ground contact. This other kind is also treated wood, but it's more for just wet areas. You might see it on fences, gates, some decking components and railings. And this piece has been cut, and I've been field treating every cut as I build this deck. But it's just good to see that that treatment only goes a little ways. So now I'm going to go show you how to apply a treatment to this kind of wood if you cut it, or when you cut it. So this is the treatment I've been using to put on the cut ends. You just apply it with a paintbrush, and it's basically like a copper kind of preservative. It's pretty nasty stuff. You don't really want to get it on your skin. You certainly don't want it to be anywhere where it could get ingested. You want to wash your hands after you use it, all that fun stuff. It's made to keep rot from happening and kill bugs and stuff, and so that they don't eat the wood. So obviously it's not going to be good for you, not going to be good for your health to get it on you or in you. There's a few other brands that work, but this type of product is what you want to apply to the cut ends of your wood. So I here just cut open a little bottle and then use a paintbrush, dip it in there. It's very simple. I just dip it on there and then paint it on, and it'll soak really well into the cut ends of the wood. It's just going to suck it up. And as soon as you paint it on there and let it sit for just a minute, you can go and put it on. I just really want you to keep in mind that if you're building decks, posts, anything where you're using treated material, make sure you get those cut ends treated. If you have a contractor or somebody working at your home doing that work, make sure to ask them just to verify that they're treating those cut ends. Otherwise, whatever you're building is not going to last near as long as it would if the proper steps are taken to avoid rot. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Have a great day.